All right, so in this first video, we're looking at the grand equation of personal finance. And if you can master this grand equation, it's a very simple one, you can understand the very basics of personal finance and financial math. So the equation is as simple as money made minus money spent. And then when you do this, you're going to either end up with a profit or you're going to end up with a deficit. And so let's look real quickly at what a profit and deficit are. And again, they're very simple. So a profit is just going to be the money you have saved. So if you have more money left over, that's going to be a profit. A deficit is going to be money overspent. So let's take a look at a real example of this. So we got money made minus money spent. And let's take a look at a real example. So let's say you made $50,000 in a year, and then that same year you spent $40,000. So you're just going to go 50,000, which is your money made, minus 40,000, your money spent, and then that's going to give you a surplus or a profit of $10,000 because you made more than you spent. Let's take a look at another example, and let's say you made $50,000 that year, but you spent $57,000. So again, you're going to go 50,000 minus 57,000. And then that's going to be negative 7,000, which means you have a deficit of $7,000, meaning you overspent by $7,000. So let's take a look at a real world example here. And what we're going to do is we're going to examine a week's bank statement. So we're just going to look at the expenses, money made and money spent of this person's bank statement for a week. So we're going to look for a profit or a deficit in this bank statement. So here is the bank statement. We're in their US Bank portal. And as you can see, you got all the expenses and everything right there. In this first column, it's going to be the date of the expense. In the second column, it's going to be the place or company of the transaction. And then in the last column, it's going to be if they made or spent the money. So let's take a look at this. And what we're first going to do is let's find all the money this person made for the month. And so that's going to be in green. So again, you see City of Gresham plus 539, paystubs.com plus 78, paystubs.com plus 78. So in total, this person made $695 deposited into their bank this week. So now we're going to go and let's find the money spent. And so that's going to be everything else. So it says, it even says minus. So Plaid Pantry, minus $27.98, Acorns, Chick-fil-A, Plaid Pantry, Coursera, Arco, State Farm, Shopify, Jersey Mike's, and Acorns. So again, you tally all that up, and that's going to be minus $375.56. So all we're going to do now is our last step. We're going to go, our money made was $695 minus our money spent, which was $375.56. And let's put that in. Money made, this person made $695 and they spent $375.56. Subtract it, and that's going to give us a profit of $319.44. So they did not overspend in that week. All right, thank you for watching. In this next video in the series, we're going to be looking at different ways to make money. Have a great rest of your day.